Let's go and talk about regular expressions. So a regular expression is a string that can be used to describe several sequences of characters. Regular expressions are used by several different Unix commands, including ed, sed, awk, grep, and to more limited extent, vi. The sed command stands for stream editor, so S and then ed, stream editor. The stream-oriented editor was created exclusively for executing scripts. Thus, all the input you feed into it passes through and goes to standard out, and it does not change the input file. So an example of this, to search for the given string in a single file named test.sh, we can cat test.sh, or test shell script. And what we're going to see is the hash string here, a function, and the function just says echo, this is a test. We have a comment that says terminate our shell script with success message, and then we have an exit 1 error flag there, okay? And then we call the function. Okay. So from above the file, we can grep for exit, okay? So on my command line, I could type in grep, the string exit on a demo file, and the output would be exit 1, okay? Okay, so in this case, demo file would be this test.sh. So I could do grep, exit, and then test.sh. And it would find exit here, and the output would be, hey, I found this line here, and it says exit 1. So that's how we can use grep to find certain phrases in files, which is very useful when you're trying to find something.